Hi, I'm Dr. RG here. I'm very excited to show you this next patient. We have done a triple threat on her 1 year ago, so you're gonna hear her interview.
Hi, my name is Roxanna. I'm 23 years old. I did my triple threat with Dr. Ramirez, and I did it a year ago.
What made you decide to do the triple threat at 22 years old?
The reason I did the triple threat because I didn't like my side profiles and I didn't like how it looked in pictures, and I just didn't feel very much confident.
How did you feel about your lower face before surgery?
I felt really rounded. I felt like my face was very heavy, and I feel like I had no definition.
What bothered you the most?
What bothered me the most is the rounded face, not feeling so confident in pictures, or just people standing beside me and looking at me on my side profile.
Why did you decide to go with Dr. RG?
The reason I decided to go to Dr. RG is because on social media, his work looked really good, and also with my mom, she came here and she had a really good result here.
What made you feel comfortable moving forward?
What made me comfortable moving forward is because of how his team and himself has treated me and has talked to me about this procedure. It made me very comfortable and wanted to move on.
Were you nervous going into the procedure?
Before this procedure, I was a little bit nervous because it is surgery, but overall, I felt pretty comfortable with getting the procedure.
What was recovery really like?
My recovery was pretty easy and pretty smooth. The first few days, I was pretty swollen, but throughout the other days, I went pretty chill and very smooth.
Was it easier or harder than expected?
Honestly, it was easier than what I expected. The next few days, I was a little swollen, but after that, I was okay to go out in public and walk around feeling a little bit more confident.
You also did Seitan skin tightening after surgery. Why?
I did it because they recommended me because it was gonna make the healing process a little faster, and also it was gonna enhance my results.
Do you feel like it helped with recovery or tightening?
I felt like it helped with recovery because it did reduce my swelling, and then it did tighten my skin a bit more. After 5 sessions, I felt like it did help with my swellingness, and then it also felt like it tightened my skin.
Would you recommend adding that step to others?
I do recommend adding that step to others because it did accelerate my progress, and I was feeling a little bit way more comfortable and confident.
It's been over a year. How do you feel now?
I feel so much more confident in going out in public and taking pictures, because whenever I look back in my pictures, I always intend to look at my face, and I feel like it's been more slim. So I like my side profile view now.
What's the biggest difference you notice?
The biggest difference that I noticed was that before I felt like I had that little double chin look, but now I feel like it's more smooth, and also I don't have that much dragging on my cheeks anymore.
Has this changed how you see yourself?
Yes, I feel 10 times more confident, especially whenever I wear specific clothes such as like a turtleneck. I don't feel like I have a double chin just popping in the pictures or in the mirrors when I look at myself.
Would you do it all over again?
I would do it 100% again, because with the healing process and everything, it wasn't as bad as I thought, so I would give it a chance again. I feel more balanced, more confident, and still feel like myself.
Lista,
Sí.
body by RG.
Sorry.
I know. Okay. Well, what do you think? Body by RG. Nice, great, awesome.